Hello, today we are going to learn how to use the autofill in Excel. Supposing you want to type Monday up to Sunday. So first you type the Monday, then you press the enter, then you click on it again, then you put the mouse pointer here. You see a small dot, then you click and drag. So you want Monday to Sunday. So then you leave it. Then it will generate it for you. If you want to type maybe January up to December, so first you type the January, you put the mouse pointer here, then you drag it out to December, then you leave it. So this is how to use the autofill to generate things. If you want to type maybe numbers, one, maybe even numbers, so you type 2, the next even number is 4, then the next even number is 6. So you select the 3, then you put the mouse pointer here, then you drag, then it will generate the next even numbers. Thank you.